friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Zotac Ultra Thin Desktop PC. So friends, Zotac introduced the Core i5 1135G7, which is equipped desktop PC ZBox M Series H M1646, which features a thin 28.5mm housing. And friend, the graphics function is powered by Intel Xe graphics, and the display output includes DisplayPort 1.4x1, HDMI 2.0x1 and Thunderbolt 4x1, and friend, it enables 4K resolution output and stimulates output of up to 3 screens. And friend, DDR4 SODIMM, 16GB memory, 256GB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, 2.5GB LAN into 1GB LAN into 1, Wi-Fi 5 wireless LAN and Bluetooth 5.0 network are the major specification. And friend, Thunderbolt 4x1, USB 3.1 Type A into 3, microphone or headphone combo jack into 1, and the micro SD card reader are all included in the interface. And friend, the operating system includes the 64-bit version of Windows 10 Pro, and friend, it priced at $799. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.